So let's do a factory reset for this Orbic Wonder from Verizon Prepaid or Verizon Wireless. In case that you forgot your password, pattern, or PIN blocking the screen of the phone, then open my other tutorial called Hard Reset Orbic Wonder. The link is on the description of this video, so you can follow the steps to factory reset your phone using the external keys or external buttons. Okay, this is a factory reset from settings. So I'm going to um, so first let's go and change the language of this phone. Okay, so open settings and then you're gonna find backup and reset. Okay, backup and reset, open that and then go to factory reset, and everything is going to be deleted on the phone's memory, like pictures, videos, contacts, web history, downloaded applications. And it is very important that you know your Google account, because right here this section you have a backup email address from Google. You have to know your password in that email, because after the factory reset you have to confirm or verify Google in order to proceed and get to the home screen. So make sure you have that information and hit the reset button. If you have a lock screen, you're gonna ask them you to verify or confirm lock screen, and then you're gonna see the erase everything. So just open that, and factory data reset is performing, and here is gonna take a few minutes, 5 to 6 minutes, to take us to initial setup screen. Okay, so um, just be patient there until you get to the home screen, I mean initial setup screen. Just in case that you get stuck or Orbic logo gets stuck on here and doesn't it won't let you, or you don't get to the initial setup screen, that means that something is wrong with the motherboard. So we need to calibrate the motherboard using the external buttons, volume up and power key, because we won't be able to go back to settings and do the factory reset again. So these are multiple factory reset to calibrate the motherboard. So just open the link on the description of this video for the hard reset steps, and so we can fix the motherboard by doing the hard reset. Sometimes we fail to reboot the phone when we like delete a lot of web history, a lot of downloaded applications, and that's when the motherboard um, it doesn't work properly. So we're almost there. And also maybe you experience a lot of drop calls, or your phone just go off or get stuck on Verizon logo, and that means that the motherboard might be the problem, not because bad reception of Verizon or something like that, but the motherboard or the phone need to calibrate. So before doing the factory reset, make sure that you do a backup reset with your Google account. And after the factory reset with the same email address and password, you will be able to retrieve all your informations, such as contacts, videos, pictures, and downloaded applications on your phone again. Okay, so there you go. Okay, initial setup screen. Okay, so let's go and tap let's go in English, and I took off the SIM card of this phone. So you already have an active SIM card from Verizon. Just leave it on the phone and hit the next button to start the automatic programming. Okay, if you want to add a line on your phone, or you just want to create a new phone number, and you're going to next step is copy your data. You already have an email address from Google, just register here, or set up as a new phone with new email address. Register a Wi-Fi. Do not set any. Okay, if you have a SIM card, a Verizon SIM card on this phone, and it's not active, and you don't want to activate anything, So you have to remove the battery, the SIM card, if you don't want to connect any Wi-Fi or something, because you need internet in order to continue. So if you don't want to do anything, so just remove the SIM card, okay, and then the phone will let you continue without any internet. Okay, date and time. Select your time zone, month to change your month. Just hit the arrow, select your date, hit OK. Time it's minutes, and then choose AM or PM and hit OK. Hit the next button. Choose a nickname for your phone in case that you forget your lock screen. Hit the next button. Select the pattern, pin, or password. Now you can set up this after when you get to phone settings, and then leave everything on Google services so you can take advantage of it, and add an email address. So all set. My Verizon iCloud. Got it. Okay. Thanks so much for choosing my video. Any other questions, let me know in comments, and please subscribe to my channel so you can have access to my tutorials, and hit the like button. Please find my other tutorials related to this phone about talkback, about keyboard, or any other issue that you may have with your phone. Okay, thanks so much.